теплесенька, та дитина малесенька. Туди підем ночувати, дитиноньку колисати. Ой, лопата й воркота, на дитину та й дремота, котик буде воркотати.
There is a new play that has been produced in Alberta with the support of the St. John's Institute called Blood of Our Soil. It's the most powerful presentation that I have seen of the long history of travesties that the people of Ukraine have suffered from the time of Stalin through to Hitler, now under Putin. And I hope that that play will come to Ottawa.